So a late night at work for me yesterday, but all the work started and we're down in amongst it, which is all good. A load of bricks. You got all there as well. All the windows are out of the conservatory. You see that? It's all over there. So watch the blue wire. You might want to get off the board now, Electra.
So we're on day 2 and they're demolishing the conservatory for us. I have to say it looks much better already. 9:30 in the morning, they've had this down in less than an hour.
Alright, it's a hot day today. Boys are down there in the trenches. There's Dizzy. She's not happy at all because she's not allowed in the garden much. So she's not very happy. But the boys are working like troopers and the power's gone off. And so they're gonna have to try and get through this concrete with the spades as much as they can. They're doing great guns. Gave them an ice cream. Now that the builders have gone, Rocky's gonna do what?
Take you through a tour of the foundations.
Off you go then. You need the phone, mate.
Rocky, say who when there's a tunnel. A big lump. Here's a lump. Hey, stop walking on my head.
Here he is!
And
whoa! So the kids are in the trenches. Come back! This way!
lump. Hi! Hi! Let's go back. My son will be fun. Okay. Rocky, but it's safer with me because I've...